What up, everybody? Welcome back to Fitness Tech Reviews. Today, we are going to be going over the Galaxy Fit 2. So this just came out from Samsung, but let's go ahead and get into the review. Alright, first thing we need to do, of course, is open this guy up. This thing is impossible to open without ripping it. Well, it got ripped. Oh well, it happens. So here it is. I actually got the red version. I usually get the black version of each one. I accidentally got the red one. Opening it up. Comes with a little box. Of course, it comes with its little charging case, which should be magnetic. Pops right on there. I'm gonna go ahead and get this guy turned on so I can get it paired up with my phone. Alright, since I have a Samsung, it already detected that the Fit 2 is there, so I'm going to add it in now. Going right into the Galaxy Wearable app. We're going to connect it. Setting it up on my phone. Again, relatively similar. You do need the Galaxy Wearable app to set it up on your phone. And of course, it just unsynced with my Galaxy Watch 3. Get it all set up on my right wrist. So the actual band itself is a little bit different than what it used to be. Band software is updated. All right, we're all set up. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this guy over the next couple days and go with my full review. See you guys soon. All right, and we are back. Been using this guy for a couple of days. Let's go over my thoughts. First thing, need to get into those specs. So it does have a bigger screen than it did last year. It has a 1.1 inch AMOLED display that gets up to almost 450 nits of brightness, which is pretty bright, so you can see it in sunlight. It comes in two colors. It comes in this scarlet. It also comes in black. Again, I wanted the black, but I accidentally picked the scarlet. It has 2 megabytes of RAM and has 32 megabytes of internal storage. You're not gonna really be able to put too much on it. It's pretty much just saving stuff on the watch itself. It has a 159 milliamp hour battery, which they say rates it for about 15 days with continuous heart rate. And if you take off the continuous heart rate, then you can get up to 21 days on a low power mode, which is insane. I have been using it for a couple days, and with what I've seen, I think I can get a good solid 11, 12 days out of it, no problem whatsoever, which is absolutely amazing. So much better than what they did with the original Galaxy Fit. It has 3 sensors. It has its heart rate monitor, also known as a nope, not going to try that. And it also, of course, has its accelerometer, and it also has a gyroscope as well. It is rated for 5 atmospheres of pressure, and it's an IP68 water resistant, so you can go swimming with this to track your swimming progress. It is on Bluetooth 5.1, so the most up-to-date Bluetooth. All right, let's go ahead and get into the app. You do need 2 apps to wear this guy. The first one is the Galaxy Wearable app. This is where you're going to do all of your notification tweaks. It's where you can do your notification tweaks, where you can change anything, your step targets and stuff like that. You'll also be able to go in and change the widget order, so whichever widgets you would like. I mean, I can count to 20 on hand washing, so I really don't need the hand wash, but you can add in other widgets when you swipe left and right. You can always change the display brightness here as well and change the screen timeout, so if you want it to be on a little bit longer, you can do that. So there's a lot of customizability here. Also a Find My band, so if you have it sitting somewhere, it will vibrate. It doesn't have any actual speaker in there, so it's only going to be able to vibrate. Also, you can change your quick responses for text messages and stuff like that, so if you do get a text message, you can quick respond on the actual watch. All right, going into the second app, it's the Samsung Health app. This is where you're going to get all your health metrics here. So I did a couple of exercises. So when I went yesterday for a little bit of a run, I just did a nice little 1 mile run. So right here, I might have actually clicked it a little bit early. So right here, as you can tell with my heart rate, it doesn't really fluctuate too much. I'm going to kind of put over my Whoop band right on top. And as you can tell, it doesn't really track as accurate as I would like, and actually kind of underneath where I would like. So the heart rate tracking isn't that great. Also going into my workout today. So for my workout today, did a little bit of strength movements with power cleans. Then I went into my workout. So this is what it looks like on my actual Galaxy app. Go into my Whoop, and it's showing me what I have. As you can tell, it did do a little bit of nuance on the up and down versions, but it just isn't as accurate as I would like. The sleep tracking is one of the things I think does very well with it. My Whoop said I did about 7 hours and 23 minutes of sleep, where my Samsung Galaxy Fit, I got about 7 hours and 3 minutes of sleep. So it is fairly accurate, and also gives you a good efficiency score as well, letting you know your REM sleep, your deep sleep, and your light sleep. If you're looking for this as a sleep tracker, again with this 15 days, it does absolutely great. And you want to go into your watch faces. This is where you could change it all. And it's actually going to change real quickly. So you can see it's relatively customizable, and it's got very good brightness. So it's got a lot of good information for whatever you might like to do. And also I've heard there's actually like secondary market for this stuff, but I just stay with the Samsung stuff. So getting into the watch itself, to actually take off the band, you can actually take off the entire thing right off the band. It doesn't have any buttons, it just has a little capacitive touch at the bottom. When you swipe to your right, you get all of your widgets, starting workout, stress widget, the weather, clocks and stuff like that, and of course hitting the bottom button goes back home. When you go left, it goes right to your notifications, and the down swipe is going to give you all your little quick things, your display, your do not disturb mode. Going from there, you can turn on off the vibrate. You can get it into water mode, so it will stay away from accidental touches. Find my phone, which is always very important. So as you can tell, I found my phone pretty quickly. You also have your night mode, and then you can turn it off from here. All right, so going into the pros, one of those pros is battery life. This thing can last for a while, which is big, especially for its price point. Talking about the price point, it's about $59, so it is a very good price, especially considering last year's model was $100. They definitely brought down the price, and it's a lot more affordable in that range. Next thing is its sleep tracking. Sleep tracking is one of the things that I think is one of the most overlooked things when you're talking about your fitness, and this will help you get better sleep throughout. Its heart rate monitoring is kind of a hit and a miss. It does fairly well, but when we're talking about the Mi Band 5, which I'm going to be doing a video of comparing this one and the Mi Band 5, make sure you are subscribed to the channel to check that video out. So the heart rate monitoring is kind of a mixed bag in that regard. And in general, the fitness tracking isn't that great either, due to its nature of not being able to really follow your heart rate up and down and not being that accurate. For the price, it's fairly accurate, but again, the Mi Band 5 might be a little bit better for you. What would I recommend this band for? So I'd recommend this for somebody who's just starting out, who owns a Samsung. I would definitely recommend it too, as it goes right into the ecosystem. Also recommend this to anybody who's looking to get good sleep tracking, to be able to improve their sleep tracking. This will help a lot. If you are looking for more accurate heart rate detection, you might need to go up in price point, or you can check out the Mi Band 5. That might be a little bit better for you. That, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Please smash that like button, subscribe to the channel if you aren't yet, and as always, stay happy, stay healthy, and above all, stay positive. See you guys in the next one.